I wasn't really going to do a start to finish video here. It was a little bit of an afterthought. Kind of doing this out of necessity, but I thought it'd be a great video to share. You see all the smoke? Well, my food's not burning. You can see the gas is off. You don't need any of these big expensive smokers. You can see this is a mid-grade probably gas grill, but I've had less expensive ones I used. I got this one on a deal. It was on a clearance in the fall. And then I got one of these things. You familiar with this? You put newspaper under the bottom and set it on your grill and put some charcoal briquettes in there. These things here, you've all seen them before. Charcoal briquettes. And that'll light them without using that nasty lighter fluid. Nasty lighter fluid flavor. And then I have this stainless steel pan I put in there. What I did is I lined it with some small applewood chips. That's the actual chip there in the bag. I don't know if you can see the size. They're pretty small. And I had a couple big pieces. Left from this big bag. Applewood barbecue cooking. Chunks. They're the ones you see on top. They're all black. Anyway, I lit the charcoal. And there's big chunks in that starter I showed you without liquid lighter fluid or anything, because that's just foul tasting petroleum product you don't want to eat. And this is all burned up stainless steel pan. I use it all the time. So what I did is I lined the bottom of this pan with chips, put the charcoal in, put the big pieces of applewood on top that are smoldering, and then as you need to, you can sprinkle more chips on top of the charcoal. And this sausage is frozen. See the frost on it? It's all frozen sausage I want to smoke. I got a bargain on it, and like I said before in the other video, they really didn't season it. It just tastes like pork, but it's going to be real good when it comes out of here. If you've ever had smoked sausage, especially fresh, real smoke. And you saw the fishing video. That's one of the trouts. You can see that's two nice fillets, and they're actually still frozen together. And what this process is cold smoking. I would not eat anything as is off of this grill or out of this smoker. It all needs to be prepared and cooked properly to at least an internal temperature of 155 degrees for 3 minutes before consuming it. But what this is just doing is flavoring it. And as you see, the thermometer on the grill does function, because I just had it screaming at 450 degrees to clean the grill before I started. Then I left it cool down before placing the meat inside. It's below 100 degrees. It's below 50 degrees Celsius there. You see here, there on the glass is 67 degrees is the temperature Fahrenheit. It's pretty cool out here right now. I think the temperature outside is 40 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see the massive amounts of smoke coming through there. The sausage temperature is 9.3 degrees. What's the fish at? The fish top temperature's coming in at like 14.5 degrees. Now the fire's hot, see? But there's not enough heat at once there to heat the grill up. And if it gets too hot, I'm going to be close by and I'll open up the grill and keep that cool. You want to keep this below to 150 if you can. The cooler the better, because you want to smoke it long without burning or drying out the food. The more you smoke it, the more flavor. When we're done, this sausage is going to be better than any bacon you ever had.